Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Food My Lifeline. Today I'm taking you inside one of the most iconic stays in the Diamond City, Surat. This is my full review of the Marriott Surat Hotel. From the luxury rooms to the incredible food spread, we are diving into it all. So stay tuned till the end and don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. It is located in a prime and peaceful area, making it ideal for both business travelers and leisure stays. As soon as you walk in, the vibe is pure elegance. The check in process was seamless and the staff really makes you feel at home. So, Surat is known for its hospitality, and Marriott is definitely living up to its reputation and everything right from the gate. Since this is Food My Lifeline channel, how can I not talk about food and share the food spread? So let's take you towards your breakfast area. Table 101 is legendary here. The breakfast spread is massive. Everything from local Surati delicacies like lochu and khaman to a full international spread. Do watch out this section. Of course, now to burn all of that food, you can head their well equipped gym or take a dip in a beautiful outdoor pool. It's a perfect spot to unwind after a long day of exploring Surat. This is the night view, how Marriott looks divine, quiet, calm, and peaceful, yet serene. Let's talk about the room because we all are here only for the good, spacious room, right? So, Marriott Surat offers you spacious, modern, comfortable room with a city or a river view. Check another vlog for the details and stay tuned for more vlogs. Toodaloos!